Hello guys, today is October 31st. As you know, this is Halloween and we are at the very famous neighborhood Greenwich Village in New York City, in Manhattan. So this neighborhood is very well known with the Halloween parade, but unfortunately this year the Halloween parade has been cancelled due to the coronavirus, due to the COVID-19 precautions. But I'm gonna make a small walking tour around this neighborhood, hoping people in costumes walking in this neighborhood. I hope I'm gonna meet some nice people around us. Let's see, get around. Thank you. Come with me.